Hello friends. Now we are going to solve numerical number 1 based on incidence matrix. The given question is find out the number of trees in given graph. So this is an incomplete graph. We can see clearly that A and C nodes are not connected. So it is your incomplete graph. We know the formula for complete graph that number of trees will be equal to n minus 2, but here it is not complete graph, so we need to find out some other technique. We can take help of reduced incidence matrix, and by that we can calculate total number of trees in the given graph. First, we will find out the incidence matrix first. At node number A, 1 and 4 are connected. 1 and 4 both are outgoing. So we will take plus 1 here and plus 1 at 4. And another branches which are not connected, that can be 0, 0, 0. At node number B, 1, 2 and 3, all the 3 are incoming. So 1, 2, 3 will be minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, and rest will be 0, 0. At node C, 3 is outgoing, so plus 1, and 5 is incoming, so minus 1, rest of will be 0, 0. At node D, this is node D here, 4 is incoming, so 4 minus 1, and 2 and 5 is outgoing, so plus 1 and plus 1, rest will be 0, 0. So this is our incidence matrix. So what will be the reduced incidence matrix? Reduced incidence matrix will be R, and R can be written as by removing 1 rows, and we will remove the last one D rows. So plus 1, 0, 0, plus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, plus 1, 0, minus 1. So this is R, and R transpose will be equal to 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and minus 1. So this is R transpose. So now we will see the size of R is 3 cross 5, and here it is 5 cross 3. So the matrix R into R transpose will be 3 cross 3, and that will be equal to, we will calculate, plus 1, 0, 0, 0, and 0. So it will be plus 1 and plus 1, 2. Again we will multiply this row with second column. So 1, minus 1, 0, 0, again 0, 0. So it will be minus 1, and next is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So it will be 0, and next minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So it will be minus 1, and here we will multiply this second row with RT of second column, So it will be equal to minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 3, and again second row, third column. So 0, 0, minus 1, 0, 0. So it will be minus 1, and again 0 into 0, 0, 0, 0. So here it will be 0. Again third row, second column. So 0 into 0 into minus 1, 0, 0. So it will be minus 1, and third row, last column, third column. So 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1, 0 into 0, minus 1, 1 row. It will be 2. So here R into RT 3 cross 3 is equal to 2 minus 1, 0, minus 1, 3, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 2. So the determinant of R into R transpose will be equal to number of trees present. So what we are going to do is we are going to find out the determinant of R into R transpose. So the total number of tree will be equal to determinant of R into R transpose means determinant of 2, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 3, minus 1, 0, minus 1, and 2. So the value will be 2 into 6 minus 1. Minus of minus 1 will be plus 1, and minus 2 minus 0. So plus 0 into 1 minus 0. So here it will be equal to 2 into 5 minus 2, that is equal to 8. So total number of trees will be equal to 8. So here is our answer. Thank you.